Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year! Today we are making Gremolata. Oh boy. Gremolata is an Italian condiment with only 3 ingredients: chopped parsley, a lemon, and garlic. Gremolata is so versatile. You can add it to anything. Meats, chicken, fish, shrimp is wonderful with Gremolata. So I've already gone ahead and I've taken the parsley leaves off of the stalks. It's okay to have a little bit of the stem still on it. You just don't want the really thick stalks. My recipe calls for the zest of 2 small lemons or 1 large, and this is what I would consider a large lemon. This is a microplane. These are a very valuable kitchen tool. So if you don't have one, I suggest getting one. And what I do is I just go like this. And then you get the lemon zest in here, and I have a paper towel and I just dump it out on there. I am going to take the rest of the lemon, because we can't let any of it go to waste, and we are going to juice it. Now for the fun part. We are going to chop everything up in a mini food processor. So I want to chop my garlic up first. I am an extreme lover of garlic, and so I'm using 4. And actually I have 5 in here because when I went to go peel a garlic clove, there were 2 in there. Bonus! So I'm going to pour these in and we are going to chop them. Now I'm going to stuff in my parsley. Oh boy. Yes, we're going to make this work. You will all fit in here. I'm going to take our lemon zest, and this is one of the reasons I like to use it in a paper, put it in a paper towel, is because you can just very easily dump it in like that. And we're going to take 4 teaspoons of our freshly juiced lemon. We're going to give this a quick spin. Now I know I said in the beginning of our video that Gremolata had 3 ingredients, but that would be a condiment, and I use it that way. I also like to make it into a sauce. So we're going to add some olive oil. Now here I have a 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. So I'm just going to start off by putting about 1/4 cup in, grind it up, blend it, and see what the consistency is. And then I go from there. I'm going to put in the other 1/4 cup. That might do it, it might not, we'll see. Again, this is all in your personal preference. This is looking much better. So our recipe made about 3/4 cup of Gremolata. I'm going to call it a Gremolata sauce. And I like to keep it in a mason jar. This is a 1/2 pint, 1/2 pint mason jar. And I'm just going to spoon it or put it in here with my spatula. Gremolata can be kept in the refrigerator for 7 to 10 days if you don't use it all in at one time. Or the other thing you can do is you can freeze it. It freezes beautifully, and you can freeze it in ice cube trays. Thanks for coming along with me today as we made our Italian Gremolata. Whether you use it as a condiment or as a sauce, it's totally up to you. Both are delicious. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.